What's the topmost queen of all the flowers in the kingdom? Tulsi Maharani ki jai. So then, because there's a verse in Padma Purana that says, Pushpa Sara Tulasi. Krishna Jivani Nandini, Pushpa Sara Tulasi, Vishwapavani, Vishwapujita, Brinda Brindavani. Very nice prayer that Sri Krishna spoke to glorify Tulsi Maharani on her wedding anniversary, because she married Narayan, and one of the Puranic stories, this one, Veera Devi, it's a long story. Veera Devi got cursed to become a tree, and then someone, Narayan or something, got cursed to become a rock. So then the tree was married to the rock, and the rock is Shalagram, and the tree is Tulsi. It's called Tulsi Shalagram Vivaha, the marriage of Tulsi and Narayan, but Narayan is a Shalagram. It's called Tulsi Shalagram Vivaha, and it's every year in Kartik on Purnima, I believe. And it's celebrated by many temples in Vrindavan, traditional temples like Radha Raman,